Now coming on to the labels, which is the most powerful thing that I feel in the WhatsApp business account, which actually replaces to some extent the CRM application, but not completely, but to the most extent of it, it replaces that. What is labels actually? So this is labels. So suppose these are the labels that I have done. So for the follow up I have different label, for the hot lead I have different label, for the April month weddings I have different label, for the May month wedding I have different labels, for the quotation to be sent I have different label. And how do you make that label? Just go to the label and at the bottom just click on this label, and you can't add more than 20 labels because I have already handling 20 labels. I'll just delete one of the label and will add new. So I have deleted that particular label, and now I'll just add a label. So test label would, I'll just give it a name, test label, and you will find that it has come up. Now you'll see that if I have a lot of conversations happening in the follow up tab. These are all the clients whom I had been in conversation with, and I have to take the follow up of these clients actually. And how do you do it? Once you have a conversation with the client, something like this, I'll just type. So suppose this is a person, Vikas. If I'll just take this name for the time being, and understanding, and suppose that this is a client and I had some conversation with him, and I understand that there is a follow-up that has to be taken for this person. I'll just go here, click on more, label chat, and I'll just give it a label. And once it is labeled, you'll find it will come directly into your label of follow-ups, label, and you'll find that the person has come up. Now the beauty of this platform, WhatsApp Business, again something, you can give more than 2 to 3 labels to one person. So suppose you want to add one more label to this person, just hot lead. If this client is coming to be hot and there are very high chances of getting it converted, you can just label it as hot lead. April, if the client has a wedding in the month of April, you can just filter that. So this is how you have to make use of it, so that you do not leave any client going completely getting the status of that particular person. And if you are not following up, if you are not following up, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. And to make an effective follow-up, to make a complete follow-up, you have to use some technology. And to be very much more specific, the technology is WhatsApp Business label technology. And this is how I track when I'm driving, when I'm on shoot or somewhere. This is how I track the leads, the status of all the follow-up leads. So most of the part has been done now. Now we are done with the major part of the features for the WhatsApp Business. For the away messages, we do not use away messages because we are always available, and if someone would message us even in the night, we share our contact details and the WhatsApp number, because we still are not that much big in that we should be open, or we should have a time constraints. So for the time being, but in the future, obviously when we would find our operation scaling up, we could not keep ourselves open till 24 hours, 365 days a week. But greetings messages are very much important. This is something that we share with the client, and send a greeting message. So once you send a greeting message, you have to set your greeting message. What does it say? Thank you for contacting Grey White Studios, and I am Luminous Wedding Photography and Filmmaking Company. Please let us know how can we help you. Are you looking for a wedding photography and filmmakers? And at the below, I have deliberately edited and deleted our description, so that I give you a live demo how you could add your description in this business in this greetings message, and how you have to do it. I'll just copy our description first, and I'll just add it. So this is our description. I'll just take it, I'll just copy it, and over here, and we'll just add it. So this is the description that would go to the person once you get a new message from any unknown number. This would be your greetings message, and it is very important to set that. Coming on to the quick replies. Now this is very powerful. If you see, I have made a lot of quick replies for our client. So what happens, you can make quick replies according to your requirement. For us, what happens, suppose I'm following up with a client and I want to send the client about our company link, what are we, about us page. So I just cannot go and again and type in the domain name, type in the web link and copy it from somewhere and waste my time. The quick reply feature saves you a lot of time. What you have to do, you just type your message which is going repeated again and again. So suppose if you want to send the message of about us, just type that. If you see what I have written it, kindly read a little about us and our organization, so that it helps you to make a better decision. You can also attach media with this. Once you type in this quick reply short code, the message and the attachment would go along with your message. And for this one we have not attached anything, but you see what is the text. Kindly read a little about us and our organization, so that it helps you to make a better understanding, and the client would see this link. And how does it work? What is the code? Code is simply about GWS. Now how does it work? Suppose I want to send Vikas about us message. What I'll do, I'll just simply use this slash, and all my quick replies would come up, and I'll just type the short code of that about us, and you will see it comes up. See, and I just click on this and the message would go up. This is how easy it is. Suppose I want to share very recent portfolio. So whenever we find that our portfolio has been updated and we should start sharing with our clients, so I just go and add to the quick replies our new portfolio. If you see, these are all my portfolios. If you see CNMTCE, all my portfolio codes. And how do I share with this? I'll just show you that too. I just click on this hash, and these are all the CNMTC codes. CNMTC as in cinematic, and I just share something like this, and it would come up. Whatever work I have to, whatever portfolio I have to share with the client, I just have to choose this, and the message would come up, and it saves me a lot of time, plenty of time. And you might feel that how much time is it going to save you? Probably some seconds, but understand this, the seconds would fill up. You must have heard that saying that the droplets of water completes the ocean. The droplets of water could fill up the ocean. This is the same thing. Saving a second by second, you would save up hours, and hours will come into days, and that is how you're going to save your time, and you could utilize that time at some other activity in some other way. This is the beauty of the WhatsApp business account and how you have to use it. Now if you see, we are almost done with all the features of the WhatsApp business, and this is how you could effectively and powerfully use WhatsApp business, and the rest are the same options that you might see in your normal WhatsApp account. That's it. But these are the features that I wanted to share with you for a wedding photography and filmmaking business perspective, and that is what it's done. And let's just come back to the mind map.